I earn $10 every day effortlessly. Yes, it's real. This passive income app is available worldwide, paying users in various ways, from PayPal and Bitcoin to popular gift cards, right in your country. This app is called Pawns App. Pawns App is an online platform that allows users to earn passive income by sharing their unused internet data and participating in various tasks. Users can earn money by sharing their internet bandwidth, allowing companies to utilize this data for research and complex tasks without accessing personal information. The app offers various payment options, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and gift cards, depending on the user's location. Users can complete paid surveys or participate in gaming offers to earn additional money. Surveys typically pay from a few cents to several dollars, while gaming offers can yield higher payouts. Pawns App has a weekly leaderboard where top earners receive cash prizes, incentivizing users to engage more actively with the platform. The app is available on multiple devices, including smartphones and computers, and is accessible on various operating systems. The app is designed to be safe and secure, ensuring that personal data remains private and protected. Overall, Pawns App provides a way for users to monetize their internet connection and earn money through simple tasks and sharing data. Step 1. Sign up for the Pawns App. To get started, go over to the website called the Pawns App. You can search it on Google Play Store or even in Google Chrome. This platform allows you to earn an easy $10 per day in passive income, and it's compatible with both smartphones and computers on Android, iOS, and other devices. Once you are in the page or in the app, access the Pawns App and register for free, using either your Google account or Apple ID. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard, and with a 4.4-star rating on Trustpilot from over 1,000 users worldwide, this app has proven to be one of the most reliable options for earning online. I've personally tested the Pawns App, even withdrawn $57, so you can feel confident using this platform. Step 2. Earn by sharing internet data. The Pawns App allows you to generate passive income by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It offers various payment methods, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and gift cards, depending on your location. Users worldwide are actively withdrawing their earnings through the app, which provides two main ways to make money: completing paid surveys or sharing internet data. Sharing data generates passive income, and getting started is simple. Scroll down on the homepage, select your device, whether it's Windows, Google Play, Android, iOS, macOS, or Linux, and download the setup. After installation, log in with your credentials, and the app will connect to your device to start sharing your encrypted internet data for earnings. For each 1 gigabyte of data shared, the Pawns App pays 20 cents, so sharing 5 gigabytes yields $1 in passive income. Stay tuned for a bonus tip to reach $10 daily on the app. Your data helps companies conduct research and complete complex tasks without accessing any of your personal information. Approved by Google, Apple, and Microsoft, the app is safe and secure. You only need to earn $5 to make your first withdrawal, which can be achieved quickly by following each step in the guide. On average, users make over $12 daily, and with a user base exceeding 4 million, the app has paid out more than $3.8 million in 2023 alone. Bonus tip. Here's the first bonus tip. If you own multiple devices, such as a laptop, desktop, or mobile devices, consider installing the Pawns App on each one using the same account. This strategy can boost your earnings significantly, potentially doubling or even tripling them compared to using just a single device. Users across the globe are cashing out regularly, and in the last 30 days alone, the Pawns App has paid out over $700,000 to its users. By sharing your unused internet or bandwidth, you can potentially earn up to $140 each month. Step 3. Earn by completing surveys. Another method to earn money on the Pawns App is by completing paid surveys. Simply select the Surveys option from the left menu, where you'll find surveys offering payments ranging from a few cents to as much as $5, depending on their length. For better earnings, choose the highest payout option to see the top-paying surveys available. As you complete more surveys, you'll gain access to higher-paying ones, with some offering $3 to $5 each, based on your location and profile details. Step 5. Earn by playing games. The Pawns App offers another way to earn by completing gaming offers. Simply select the Games option on the left, where you can earn between $10 and $100 for each game by installing and advancing through levels. Step 6. Use the referral program. To increase your earnings, try the Invite a Friend feature. This allows you to earn $1 every time a referral makes a withdrawal, plus 10% of their earnings. For example, if you have 10 active referrals each making $10 daily, you'll receive $10 daily from their combined payouts. If you'd rather not share with friends, you can join Make Money online groups. Post withdrawal proof images along with your referral link. Step 7. Monitor leaderboard. The Pawns app features a weekly leaderboard where top earners win cash rewards, with the highest earner receiving $150. This app is completely secure, using encrypted traffic that keeps your personal data private. The Pawns app offers a fantastic opportunity to earn passive income effortlessly, allowing you to make up to $10 a day simply by sharing your unused internet data and completing surveys. With a variety of payment methods available worldwide, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and gift cards, getting paid is convenient and easy. Plus, the app's high ratings and real user testimonials demonstrate its legitimacy and effectiveness. Remember to utilize your multiple devices for maximum earnings and consider referring friends to boost your passive income further. You can choose to complete surveys or share your internet connection. The Pawns app provides a user-friendly platform to help you earn money with minimal effort. Don't forget to take advantage of the special $1 sign-up bonus by registering. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative and are excited to start earning with the Pawns app. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What payment method do you prefer when it comes to receiving your earnings? Do you like the convenience of PayPal, the flexibility of Bitcoin, or perhaps the fun of gift cards? Comment your answer below. I'm really interested to see what everyone thinks, and your feedback can help us create even more relevant content for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more ways to generate passive income, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus. By joining our community, you'll gain access to valuable insights and tips that can help you maximize your earnings online. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into additional strategies and tools for boosting your income effortlessly. Together, we can explore the many opportunities out there to enhance your financial journey. Thanks again for watching, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments.